Okay, we got a 1931 Ford two-door. Which is two-door. A two-door is a two-door, which is we're in a lower price models too. And obviously this has been changed around. You can see the front suspension, coil spring, racket pinion, steering. It's lowered. I don't know what the hell the engine's in it, but I'm sure it's not the same. Different interior, aftermarket, steering column with aftermarket gauges and stuff. So this thing's been. This thing's a highway cruiser. It's not a 1931 40-45 mile an hour cruiser. This thing can probably go down the highway about 80 miles an hour all day. So anyway, and you got your little spotlight on there and all that stuff. Louvers on the hood. Nice wheels. It says Ford on each one of them too. On the hubcaps. Got the ring, chrome ring with the baby moon. Body match color on the rims. You notice a detail on the the radiator cap. To me, that made a lot more sense. Radiator cap being over there, so you got to open up the damn hood, right? Put the radiator under the hood. You think about it, that's just how it was. But you think it's always been that way. In other words, right? No. I don't know. No, why the hell why they just make them with the radiator? I don't know. I guess you don't really need to look at your radiator much anymore, right? It's the whole logic, I guess, behind that.